Okay, எல்லாருக்கும் நமஸ்தே வணக்கம் assalamu alaikum. Sorry, little louder. Okay, so first of all, I'm really happy. The thing is, I'm alive, and an autobiography of mine, a biopic, has been taken. I'm very happy about it, and I've been very raw to my director about telling what exactly my life was, and he read my book also. So I know every scene in the movie what has been happening. I'm really happy about it. So I can't hear you. Yeah, actually, I've seen the teaser already. I know, but when the only difference is those days we didn't have this kind of cameras. What we have done in this movie now, it's so clear, it's so beautifully shot and in a beautiful locations. Those days it was not there. We shot in only a 16 mm camera. So that is the only difference I see. Otherwise I feel that car shot and all that, I did all that. I don't know, Indrajit sir has studied so much about me and my expressions that I did actually enjoy. I was going to Kerala, I was traveling in a car like that, looking at Kerala like that. So I'm really happy. It's come out really well. The songs are very nice because I was always on a plumpier side, and I'm not actually a good dancer. So I think Richa Chadha has done a wonderful job and justice to my character.
So we all know that the movie is going to release on 25th of December.
Yes, inshallah.
Any idea of watching the movie after December 25th, or that with the audience you want to watch, or before the?
No, I will be watching it before that. Definitely, yes, one day before that. And with audience, I will also definitely watch. So, what else do you want to know? That's what I was said. I'm really happy. I'm happy because the locations, even those days, because I told you we didn't have better cameras, and now they've done a beautiful work in Tirthahalli, and that helicam shots and all have come out really very well. I'm very happy about it. எல்லாமே நிறைய I was, that is why I didn't sit there. I came and sit here to see that, and it reminds me a lot about my maybe my ex-lover. Yes, my ex-lover. It reminded of me, and Raju exactly looks like Richard, and so many memories. Only in these, if I can, that's what I'm wondering, if I can feel, I can have so many feelings watching only the trailer. Imagine what will happen if I'm going to watch the movie. I'm going to definitely cry. Huh? He's a lovely director, and very nice person, very concerned. And I've already done Mona Lisa, and I love Alia, and it was I'm so happy that he took over my project, and I know what kind of a director he is and what he's capable of. I'm really happy that he's doing it. And since as soon as I entered, I just told you that this is my very big day, lifetime achievement. A biopic has been made, and it's launched, and still none of my family has joined me, and I really felt bad, but I'm actually feeling really good because Sandeep Malani Anna, Isan Anna, he was with me from the day one shoot, because I didn't know Kannada. So he used to talk to me in Hindi and English and explain everything to me. And till today, he's there. And I love his younger sister, Sheetal, and Silver, his son. And that's my family. that the Sandeep Anna is actually my family. So that is why I said now I have another family. So that's it. And no, I'm getting offers, but I'm doing a few cookery shows and comedy shows in Tamil right now. So I'm a little bit busy with this. So I'll be doing very soon.
Ma'am, how excited you were when Indrajit sir came to you and said that I'm gonna do your book? How excited?
Very excited because actually I was shooting for I Love Alia, and few people had come to talk to me about my to buy my autobiography. So I asked what are they going to do with it? Make a film out of it. But Indrajit sir said, just wait for 1 day or 2 days. I'm going to read your book. So he did, he in fact cancelled the shoot, and he was sitting back home and read the book, and then he was really impressed with it, and he came and told me, don't give it to anybody, I am doing it. So I was like, okay, fine, because I know I've already worked with him, rather giving it to a new person and I don't know what they're going to do with it. And he knows me better because from 2003 I've been working with him. So I thought it is the best choice if I'm going to give to him. So I was really excited about it. Thank you.